Good morning, my dear students. So, this is part 3, Geography lesson number 1, Resource and Development. Land utilization. That means for what purpose land put in use. That is called land utilization. So, we will see in India, land can be used for variety of purpose. It can be used for forest and land which is not under cultivation. The land which is not under cultivation, either that land is barren land or maybe the land which used for construction activities like roadways and factories, etc. So now the most important use of land, fallow lands. So in the category of fallow lands, we are having a current fallow land and other than current fallow land. So current fallow land means the land which is left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. Remember, one or less than one. That is called current fallow land. That means वो लैंड जिसको एग्रीकल्चर के लिए यूज़ नहीं किया जाता फॉर वन और लेस देन 1 year only. That is called current fallow land. Then second, other than current fallow land. So in this category, we are having that piece of land which is left without cultivation for the past 1 to 5 years. Okay. So the main difference between current fallow land and fallow land, that in current fallow land, the land which is left without cultivation only one or less than one. But in other than current fallow land, the time period left without cultivation 1 to 5 years. Then next, NSA, net shown area. Net shown area means the area which is used for cultivation once in a year. That is called NSA. In India, the total net shown area is 140 million hectare. In Punjab, this is just 4%. No need to remember how much this is in India as well as Punjab, just to remember the definition only. What is NSA? Area used for cultivation. Area जिसको हम यूज़ करते हैं फॉर कल्टिवेशन इधर फॉर फूड क्रॉप्स और फाइबर क्रॉप्स. So land use pattern in India. So the use of land can be determined by both physical as well as human factors. So in physical factor we include topography, means surface area, climate and soil. In human factor we are going to include population, technology as well as culture and tradition. See, if the population will be more, then area will be used more for construction rather than agriculture. Same with the help of technology. If technology is high, then people are using land for industries other than agriculture. Then this is an example. So NSA, we know the area which is used for cultivation once in a year, that is called NSA. But how much area under cultivation, that will be vary from state to state. That means एक स्टेट में कितना एरिया हम यूज़ करते हैं फॉर एग्रीकल्चर पर्पज़, वो दूसरी स्टेट से बहुत डिफरेंट है. जैसे एग्जांपल, इन पंजाब एंड हरियाणा the area under cultivation is about 80%, but in Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and island groups like Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep, this is just 10%. Now, forest policy. According to the forest policy which introduced in 1952, the area under forest of any country, that will be at least 33% of the total area of a country. But in India, this is just 21%, and in Punjab, 6.2% only. Now further we are having importance of forest, why we have to increased area under forest. They cause rain. They also support forest communities, maintain ecological balance, prevent flood, and providing shelter for animals. So next is one of the most important topic for CBSE board exams: land degradation. What are the main cause of land degradation in India? So the first cause of land degradation in India, that is over irrigation. So over irrigation is the main cause of states Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Remember these states also. In which state over irrigation is responsible for land degradation. So basically when we keep on irrigating an area, then that area will be facing waterlogging. Waterlogging means, so suppose this is area A and we are keep on irrigating or providing supply to this area, then this area will be having more than required water, that is called waterlogging. पानी का जमा हो जाना. If the waterlogging will be there, then it will automatically increase saline in the soil as well as make the soil more alkaline, and that will not use for cultivation. Then overgrazing in states like Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Overgrazing is the main cause of land degradation. Then mining. This is also very much important, which states are facing the cause of land degradation due to mining. So these states are Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. So basically in these areas minings are responsible for land degradation, because when the mining work is done, abandoned means left, छोड़ देना किसी को as it is. When the mining work is done, then mining sites left abandoned, which cause land degradation. Then deforestation. Deforestation is another cause of land degradation in states Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. At the end, we are having mineral industries. Some mineral industries are also responsible for land degradation. Basically, when the dust which released from these industries, that will be settled down on the earth surface, then this dust will automatically decrease the infiltration capacity of the soil with the help of water, and then automatically the land slowly become bad or not fit for agriculture. Now next question: how to solve the problem of land degradation? So far we have seen how over irrigation, mining, deforestation, these are cause for land degradation. Now how to prevent land degradation? The first and most important method to prevent land degradation is afforestation. In this we are cultivating more and more trees which help to solve the problem of land degradation. Then contour plowing. Contour plowing is a method which is used basically in mountainous area. In mountainous area, people there start cultivating an area along with the contour lines, which further reduce the flow of water and help to prevent land degradation. Then shelter belts. Shelter belt also help to reduce land degradation. Then fourth, control over overgrazing as well as stabilize sand dunes. So further we are having two diagrams. These diagrams are going to help to understand how contour plowing and shelter belts are going to stabilize sand dunes. So in diagram 1 we have seen this is a triangle, or this triangle we are going to consider as a mountain. So see, in this side we are having A and B. So this A and B are going to represent the area of same height. When we are going to cultivate, the area on mountains on same height, then they will be acting, or they are providing us a flat plane which will be help to reduce the flow of water and prevent soil erosion. This is called contour plowing. Then second is a shelter belt. So see, this is a sand dune. So as the wind blowing from west to east, then the blowing wind also going to carry some amount of sand. If we are going to cultivate plant in the path of wind, then the velocity of wind will be reduced, and wind is not able to carry the sand from this area A to this area B. So in this way we are supposed to stabilize sand dunes. Thank you so much. Please like the hit please hit the like button and subscribe channel for more updates.